Welcome to Casa Mia, Salentina. I'm Anna, and today we're doing our top 5, and we're going to take you to a town called Nardo, and it's on the west coast of Salento. It's near the Ionian Sea and probably about 5 kilometers from our town in Galatone. So this town has just over 30,000 in population, with the average age in that town around 46 years of age. So it's a young town. We went and visited this town last year, and we visited it a lot this year. It is a gorgeous town. It has a historic centre with a castle, and also has a gazebo little park area, and then you enter into this historic centre. So the historic centre is just beautiful. Just gorgeous architecture, has lovely little alleyways. It has beautiful cafes and restaurants in what we call a live piazza. So all the bars, everything surrounds its piazza, and there's so much life there at night time. A lot of other little cafes and bars in little side streets. On the outside walls, it has lots of retail shopping. So if you're in one of these little smaller towns on the west coast, you don't have to go all the way to Lecce. It has plenty of retail shopping, and inside the historic centre is more where people just sort of live, and they just have the little bars and restaurants and cafes. So also we have a castle tour where we've gone in and gone to the museum as well as the castle, so we will actually put snippets of that in here as well. The town has lots of services, so you've got your bus services and supermarkets, all that sort of thing for you. And it is also near the beaches, so Santa Caterina and Santa Maria Bagno are nearby. We did fall in love with this place, especially at night time. The lifestyle there at night time was amazing inside that historic centre, but also on the outside. We also will take you to the Festa di Taranta, which was, I think, in July. So you'll see snippets of the famous dance, the pizzica. Hope you enjoy Nardo as much as we did, and it made our top 5, and we'll see you in the next one. Hello everyone.
Hello.
We are in the beautiful town of
Nardo,
which is about 4 kilometres, 4 or 5 kilometres?
4 or 5 kilometres, 10 minutes, 12 minutes at the most.
And we're just in the main piazza at the moment, having
ball splits.
This is our journey of buying a home in south of Italy, in Salento, the heel of Italy, known for its beautiful beaches, sunshine, a land steeped in history. We bought our house in the historic centre of Galatone, a small town just a short trip from the beautiful coast of Santa Maria al Bagno and surrounding towns of Gallipoli, Galatina and Nardo. Follow our journey on how we made it possible from Australia to purchase this remotely, and the progress of the refurbishment and restoration along the way. What do you think, Michael? I think I found my gelato.
Yes. Look at that. There he is, Giuseppe Garibaldi, he's everywhere.
left.
Yeah.
Tu a Tudi non hai mai giocato? Sono soglia di casa?
Sì. Noi giochiamo.
Tudi?
Knuckles. Remember you used to play Knuckles?
Yes,
La
yes,
Sara,
sì.
la pietra che divideva il grano che abbiamo visto giù.
So that donkey that had it tied to him downstairs?
Yeah.
That's the stone.
Divideva i chicchi dal
grain
fieno.
and make
Chicchi dal
flour.
fieno, sì.
Yeah, that would make...
Questo scaldaletto, scaldava, si metteva il fuoco qua,
Yeah, you put the fire in there.
metallo qua,
And it
e
heats
questa
under the bed.
si
It
metteva
would heat up the
Heats the
bed.
bed.
ecco perché
Ah.
c'è questa forma, vi spiego.
That is-
No, nasce da bambino.
Should I? Should I?
Allora quello era come un box, un girello.
Sì, sì.
Mettevano il bambino
I better not.
fasciato
Behave.
e poi la mamma tirava via.
As you do, it is Ferragosto. Today is the 15th of August and it's a public holiday in Italy. So all the people now out at all the bars and getting ready for dinner, I guess, in the next hour. It's still early, it's about 8:30, clock tower?
Yep.
Yeah, probably another hour or so. So it's aperitif time at the moment. Signing off. Go and cool off in the botanical gardens.
Yes, and there's the castle behind there, Mrs. C.
Yes, quick visit to the castle.
Yep.
Be kings and queens for the day.
We're going to here first?
I think so.
Let's go into the garden. There's Mrs. C.
Good
Afternoon.
Buonasera. Buongiorno. Non so che
Guys, just jumping back on here to remind you to hit that subscribe button if you haven't already subscribed to our channel, and hit the little notification bell so you don't miss any videos when we upload them. We're getting near to 600 this week, so hopefully by the end of the week we'll be there. And feel free to share with all your friends and give it a big thumbs up. Thank you.